HIC Fine Mesh Strainer for sifting, draining, straining, and sieving foods and ingredients before cooking and baking. Sits securely on pots and pans, mixing bowls and other food preparation containers to keep both hands free for other tasks, like measuring and pouring. Aerate ingredients and remove clumps for lighter, fluffier baked goods, or smoother soups, sauces, pastes and purees. Fine mesh removes smaller bits and allows liquids to drain. Hangs for convenient and compact storage, dishwasher safe. Mesh strainer. Multiple uses including straining for loose leaf tea and dispensing powdered sugar. Made of durable and attractive 18/8 stainless steel. Convenient double handle that provides a secure grip and allows for creative, hanging storage solutions. 2-1/2 inch diameter. Part of the Essentials line by HIC, quality, function and value. Portion of proceeds supports CCAP, preparing underserved high school students for college as well as careers in the restaurant and hospitality industries. Top reviews from the United States. In short, it's flawless. I didn't review this right away because they all seem fine at first, right? Anyway, I've had it for months now, and what we use it for is filtering the gunk out of homebrewed kombucha, which means it soaks in fairly acidic liquid a few times every day. We do take care to rinse it off right after use. But still, I think if it was gonna rust it would have rusted at least a little by now. I am convinced it's genuinely made of quality stainless steel. Our old sieve disintegrated because of the booch, which is why we needed to buy one. I also pour my tea through it. I put loose leaves in the pot, so it's subjected to that type of corrosion too. I scrub at it with baking soda once a month or so because the tea seems to leave a film which clogs the screen. It is a very fine mesh, and with all the scrubbing and flexing involved in that process, I am confident I've tested the durability of the edges to zero signs of coming apart. I am very satisfied with this item.